Good morning, Jana here with Jana's Quilt Shop. Well, it's time for Monday morning tidbit again. Sorry I missed last week, a little illness going on at the last minute, but I'm back working hard, trying to get caught up again. Just to let you know, bring in your quilt tops now because this is our slower time of the year. If we're going to be able to get them out in 2 or 3 weeks, it's now. Okay? We want plenty of work to do. I don't want those girls sitting around. You know how they are. Okay. I just want to remind you that this coming Saturday is demo again. We have a really good one. I have a couple quilts to show you, and I'm going to show you some things that I've figured out. Okay? Also, we're going to have a free lap quilt giveaway. Okay? Did you get that? A free lap quilt giveaway. In the store only. But I will do demo, and then I'll record it, and as usual, you'll be able to see it if you're not able to come in the store. Okay? Alright, so that's going on. Our online fabric sale is going on right now. It's online only, but if you go online and order, you'll find a bunch of Moda fabric and Northcott, different ones that has been marked down. Okay? I don't do that very often, but I'm trying to move some stuff for our new stuff coming in. Okay? There you go. Okay, we have some new patterns, some new books, some 3-yard bundles going on in the shop. Come by and look at those. I hope the weather doesn't get too bad so we can all get out and do what we want to. But if it does, it'll warm up and get pretty again, so we'll just wait for those days. Okay, the quilt I have today is one of our cards again. And I tell you, it's hard to find a pattern for a panel that goes horizontally like this. I've had this little dog panel for a while, and I thought we have got to do something with that. It is too cute not to. So this is good quilt for anybody that likes retriever puppies, anybody that likes puppies basically, or even your duck hunters out there, because it has the ducks flying off here. And I like that the ducks are in there because it gives us some other color. You got a touch of blue there, and look at the heads on those ducks there. The green in there, you can really bring that out and add some good color in there. Okay, so that's what I've done, is taken this card and made this. So there's not a lot to it. You have to square up your panel, put a border on it, and then I have a secondary border here. And this is some Northcott fabric that I've had. And I thought it went really good with this panel because it's got a touch of that gold in there. And it's got the blues and the greens that go with the rest of it. So the only piecing you really have to do is you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these at the top and 4 at the bottom. You take them up at the top and flip them down at the bottom. So in fabrics, you've got this Northcott again. And then you've got this light cream for the background. It's a Northcott as well. I really like how it looks. But then you come back with a couple borders top and bottom so that you can make it long enough. So the pattern says, and I'm sorry my voice is going away on me. The pattern says 48 by 60. But I allow enough fabric in there for you to make it just a little bit bigger. The whole kits that we have has the panel, all the fabric you see here, plus the border. Okay, not the backing. You can put whatever backing you want on the back. But I love the border because it comes back out there. All right, this is a picture of it. This is the back of it here. I'm going to show you. And this is how those are pieced. You cut half squares, big half squares, and then you cut them down and sew them. It's really easy. It has a left side and a right side to them. So, from here, left side, from here, right side. Very easy to do. I've enjoyed doing these. I've always kind of called these mountains because I see a lot of different ones made with those. But real cute pattern, fun to do, quick and easy. Okay, so the kits, here's one finished. We have a few of these kits if you'd like one. The puppy dogs shine right there. The pattern's in there. And you can see we've got the fabric, including the binding in there, all in the kit. The kit's going to be $78, but I have a markdown right now for this sale for $58. That's $58. If you want one, tell me in the comments, and we'll save you one. Now look, that's a large lap quilt. So for $58, you can get a gift for next Christmas and have it done for some man in your life. Or even a girl too. We all like dogs, don't we? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. And let us know what you think about this quilt. Have a good day.